show you mine.
Hey, beautiful babes. It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing okay today. If you are, make sure you drop me some hearts down in the comment section. Now, if you're new to the channel, I am your girl, Sweet Angel, again, and you have arrived at Beauty by Sweet Angel. Here you'll find all kind of wonderful home remedies, natural treatments, and great products to help you stay as fabulous as possible. Now it's time to get to today's video, and we are talking about carrots. Yes, today's video is all about carrots. I actually have 3 wonderful DIY carrot face masks that's going to take care of acne, dark spots, and even brighten your skin. Let's talk about carrots, and we'll talk about the face mask that we're going to do. Carrot face mask is perfect for any skin type. Carrots are a natural antiseptic and can make your skin feel very fresh and healthy. The carrot face mask is that fountain of wholesome goodness which can breathe life into your skin. It is a time to take a break from chemical skincare products and give natural ingredients a go. How does carrot face mask actually work? Now, carrots contain vitamin A, which is an antioxidant. It also contains vitamin K. Antioxidants protect skin by limiting the production of free radicals, which can damage skin cells. It can do a lot for the health and appearance of your skin, including reducing the signs of aging. Vitamin A also treats acne. Carrots also contain vitamin C, which reduces the appearance of brown spots and other types of sun damage. Also, they help boost healthy collagen production, which causes firmer skin. Carrots also reduce inflammation and irritation, both of which cause a cascade of damage, fades post-breakout, and red marks by improving the skin's natural healing response. And they also help to increase the effectiveness of your sunscreens and boost your skin's defense against UV exposure. Now, they also contain potassium that keeps the skin cells hydrated and moisturized. Carrot contains a vital component called beta-carotene, which slows off dead skin layers, locks in moisture in the skin, and promotes the renewal of new skin cells. And vitamin E present in carrot is both a nutrient and an antioxidant, as it can help hydrate delicate facial skin, reduce scar appearance over time, and also dark spots. So now, it's time to get to the kitchen and whip up these amazing masks I have for you. Very, very simple. All you have to do for the first one, which is a carrot face mask for acne, is cut the carrot into small pieces and boil or steam your carrots for about 10 minutes, or you can even grate carrot pieces. Now, mash the carrot pieces and add honey and lemon to it and make a smooth paste. You'll just be taking 1 tablespoon of the carrot paste, 1 tablespoon of honey, and also you're going to add in a half tablespoon of fresh lemon. Apply the paste on your cleansed face and rinse it off after 20 to 30 minutes. Repeat this 2 to 3 times a week. Now, the honey and lemon have antibacterial properties and anti-inflammatory properties, which kills the microbes causing acne and heals the inflammation. The second mask we're going to be doing is a carrot face mask for glowing and bright skin. All you have to do is taking those small pieces of carrot or boiled carrot, grated carrot, however you do it, mash them up and then add yogurt, which you'll just need 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of the carrot paste, and mix it until it is smooth. You're going to add in a half tablespoon of fresh lemon. Apply the paste on your clean face and rinse this one off in about 20 to 30 minutes. You can repeat this one 2 to 3 times a week. The combination of these ingredients is the perfect mix for glowing skin, as yogurt and carrot both hydrate the skin and act as a proper food for the skin. And the final mask we have is for dark spots. Check this out. Cut the carrot in small pieces, of course, boil it however you want to do it, mash it up, and then you'll be adding 1 tablespoon of carrot paste, 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder, and a half tablespoon of lemon juice to it. Mix it all up nice and apply this paste to your clean face and rinse it off in 20 to 30 minutes. Now you can also do this one 2 or 3 times a week. Sandalwood powder and lemon have the natural skin bleaching power, and carrots renew the skin cells that result to fading out dark spots. So choose your pleasure with these 3: a carrot face mask for acne, a carrot face mask for dark spots, or a carrot face mask for glowing and bright skin. You can't lose. How about that, beautiful babes? Y'all, did you know carrots are so amazing for beautiful glowing skin? You're going to need that this summer. Yes, you are. We're going to be glowing it up for sure. I am your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all know what? You can't keep me a secret. Why are you trying to keep me to yourself? Don't do that. Please make sure you subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and share your girl with your world. And y'all, I'll see you on the next video. Heck yeah, I'll be back. All right, we'll see you then. Bye.